In this video, we will be restoring these Reebok Classics. As you can see, they are dirty on the uppers and midsoles and soles, and the shoestrings will need to be replaced because they are severely damaged. We will be using Rejuvenator products in order to accomplish this. Starting with the soft bristle brush, we will use this in order to clean the uppers. We will then use the medium bristle brush in order to clean up the midsoles. And then we will use the stiff for the soles. As you can see, some parts of the shoe need to be repainted, and we will be doing that using Angelus white paint in order to give these shoes a repaint. Starting with the back tab, we will apply the Angelus white paint to the back tab and give it a few coats in order to get that white color back. We will then dry with the heat gun, and we will also use matte finish to protect the paint. And here are the results.